Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day here and are making some really good trades as per usual. And I'm doing actually a special video today, a bonus video. Usually only make 2 videos a week, but I guess I'll do a third one. Today we got some nice movement. We got a nice reaction yesterday from the level that I bought. Again, I showed you guys the count yesterday that we finished the possible correction here on a 5-wave down move, completing the Y leg as well, and all these counts possibly completed and truncated, and we may not hit our level down here at $20.50. That's why I made some posts yesterday that I was looking to buy. I was actually not looking to buy. I was buying some more down here. So right now, so far so good. We have a nice reaction off the low, along basically with the entirety of the market. Not too surprised there. Nasdaq, S&P, everything up. Closed the week off with a nice positive note. Ended the trading week with a big green candle. Now GameStop had a nice rally, 5%, back up to $23 level. Let's see what's going on our smaller time frames. What can we make out of it, right? So I dove back into the smaller time frames on the 5-minute. And I can already make an impulse, right? I can already see we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 with some divergence. Now it's in some sort of choppy corrective move here. It's going to be most likely pulling back along. We need pullbacks unless it wants to extend further. I'm not opposed to that, right? The wave 1 can extend as you got it on the 15-minute. You only have 3 waves up right now, so you could actually continue to extend further up, right? I wouldn't be opposed to that. Since we've had such a big sell-off recently in the market, there's probably still some more gas left in the tank. So I wouldn't be opposed to this move either, right? But again, it's just to know that if we don't get another leg higher and we were to end on this, it's still very possible that we could come back down and tag our area, right? There's always that risk. There's no guarantees in life. There's no guarantees in the market either, right? But I did make a post in advance to let you guys know that I was accumulating at this level, and so far so good. Now, if this wants to mark the low, then we need to see a lot of acceleration towards the upside as we are entering this wave 3. Because if we're entering this wave 3, we need the entire market to start to rally back up too. Because if the markets continue to melt down and everything can't stabilize, and the carry trade and all this stuff starts to take place, and tariffs and yada yada yada, that starts to happen, then GameStop is gonna throw a wrench in its in its wheels, and it won't be able to continue to rally. But again, we trade the charts by themselves. We don't try and correlate things, but of course those bigger effects can weigh in on a stock, an individual stock. So far so good. Let's take a look at Market Cipher daily time frame. Again, I just want to do a quick update. We have a nice bottoming signal here. Green dot on the daily time frame. You have bullish dual band strength index numbers. You have the money flow that is deep in the red right now. It is starting to curl. So what we want to see is this start to come back up along with the price, right? We want to see the price come up. We want the RSI bands to stay nice and tight as it comes up and then expand as the price explodes higher. So you want them to open up as the price goes up, kind of like what you see here. They're nice and tight right before the move, and then they open up as the price opens up as well. And we'll see it cut back into the green money flow, right? So that is very important as well. We'll get a new weekly candle next week, and we'll obviously don't have one right now because it's not next week. I can't give you future candles. But I'm looking at the money flow, and it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It is in the red, of course, because we've gotten a pretty sizable pullback from the 34 levels all the way down to 21, right? Pretty big drawdown already. That's from a measured move. That's 36%. So I think last time we were talking about this, the last time GameStop had a big rally like this right here, I think we saw a bit of a drawdown before we actually started pumping up, right? Was this it? About 39 something percent, and it chopped around before it really started to explode higher. But we want to see confirmation. So let's be patient, right? And let's hold on to our positions that we just accumulated. And we'll see if it plays out. If it plays out, that's great. If not, hey, we have another buy area here. And if this gets invalidated, then I got a whole bunch of news for you guys. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Daily time frame, nothing really new here. Again, the buy signal yesterday came in at the right time, right moment. Everything is actually, this wave edge 2 is actually very nice. Came in with some solid signals here. I want to see if it did come in like at other points on the chart. Yeah, that's there you go. You got a nice little buy there, and then earnings. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. But I'm really happy with this signal came in along with my count. It gave me even more confidence that the trade was going to work out. So far, nice little 5%. Anyways, that's it, guys. Just want to give you guys an update. Again, I don't know if the bottom is in, and I can't tell you, and I can't guarantee it for you, but it is looking good so far. It is looking promising. We have lots of hope that we can get out of this, but just know, the daily cycle. Let me just get over here. We'll reset the chart a bit here. The daily cycle has not broken. We are at resistance on the daily cycle. We need to break it. If you can break it, this downtrend is over. This downtrend is over. It doesn't mean the price can't go down, right? Because it could always do some nonsense, right? Like I said, this can break out, come back, and this can meander around like this, right? And then take off. So it can do a lot of BS. Because it's gonna try to do theta burn all those call option premiums, and then people are gonna lose out on them before this starts to run. Could also just start rocketing out of nowhere. Maybe big news announcement, right? We got earnings. Earnings are coming in March. It's gonna be interesting. All right, peace.